everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I'm not unboxing subscription boxes, but rather some Ipsy shopper hauls that I've gotten. And I bought this a while ago, so I honestly can't remember what's in them. I've got two boxes over here. So let's see what's in the first one. I heard a clang. I'm not sure what that is. Let's pop it open and see. You have to be smarter than the box to get into the box, I guess. And I am losing that fight. Okay. Haha! Got it. Okay. Here's what we got in here. So this is one of those like little sets that Ipsy has. And I don't know why I bought it, so let's see what's in here. Okay, first thing I see in here is a set of Model Rock lashes. I don't have a lot of lashes, so I'm happy to try those out. Those, they look interesting. We'll see how they work. It looks like they have a, like, clear band on them. Interesting. We'll see that. Okay, next up in here is, oh, something from Foxy Bay, and it is a Flaming Glow leave-in cream conditioner. That's wonderful. So I have been dyeing my hair a bunch, so leave-in conditioner right now is great to help that. Also, haven't gone to the salon in who knows how long, so the ends are getting a little dry there. I will definitely be using this. Also, Flaming Glow. That is just wonderful. Okay, so I still am not sure what kind of box this is yet. Oh, I got another hair product here. Some Batiste Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Gotta love that. Oily hair, dry shampoo. It's great. Got that one from Glossy Box that I use sometimes, but I'm always for more, especially volumizing. My hair's really thin, so it's nice to have a little bit more volume. And Batiste is, from what I understand, like the not the like originator, but they're kind of the name in dry shampoo, so it'll be good to test them out. Pretty excited with that. Got some chapstick in here, or lip balm. It is a Hanalei Tropical Citrus Lip Balm. That's cool. Lip balm is good. I like lip balm. I have lots of it everywhere. My purse, in my backpack, in my room, over there, it's everywhere. So I'm all for more of it. I have a little thing in little plaster. I have a thing in bubble wrap here. It is from Hikari and it says Cream Pigment. It's in the color Latte. I'm assuming it's eyeshadow, but it doesn't specify. Oh yeah, I hope that's eyeshadow. I'm not sure where what kind of bronzer that would be. Let's test it out and see what it looks like. I think I've gotten a Hikari pigment before. There's that. It's nice, shimmery, brown, nice and warm, kind of a coppery color, I would say. Pretty happy with that. Except for single pigments are really hard for me, so I'm probably going to see if I can pop it out and put it in one of my magnetic palettes, because this packaging, I hate. I hate this packaging. But yeah, it looks nice. I'm definitely happy with it. Yeah, I think I've gotten a Hikari pigment before in one of my other Ipsy bags, so it's not like a new brand to me. Something from R & Co. Park Avenue Blowout Balm. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so some more. So put it through my hair and blow dry it. That's cool. Okay, so maybe this is, I want to say it's hair care, but then there's like eyelashes and lip balm and an eyeshadow. So it's kind of like an everything. That's cool though. I'll try this, see how it works. I don't blow dry my hair a lot. It is so straight. It just kind of dries like this on its own. Okay, and now there's a bag here. It says designed with love in Venice, California, and it says Jewel Smith. I have no idea what it is. I don't. It's probably not makeup, right? Inside a little bag like this? Nope, not makeup. It is a pair of earrings. This is one of the most baffling sets I think I've ever gotten before. Okay, let's pull those out. Ooh, those are some earrings. Oh, that's a lot. Where in the world would I even wear that to? They're long. Look how long those are. And I've got earrings on. They're pretty small, but good Lord. Well, that's fun. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that, but that's kind of fun. Okay, so this set had a pair of earrings, a single eyeshadow, some lip balm, some eyelashes, a leave-in conditioner, a blowout balm, and volumizing dry shampoo. If you can decide what all of this equals to, please let me know down in the comments, because I have no idea what kind of set this possibly could be. But I'm excited for the products in it. Like I said, I don't remember buying it, so that's fun. I keep getting packages that I'm like, I don't remember getting that. Oh well, I have it now. I must have bought it at some point. Okay, we're on to box number 2. And if this is the box I think it is, I know why I bought this one. Okay, we got Ipsy. Again, got the pink box. Basically, they've been sending out their sets instead of in the plastic little bags. They've been sending them in boxes. They must have an overstock right now. This box was a set that I actually wanted, and why I wanted it was because of this little thing here, which is the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. Now, I really like the Huda Beauty Obsessions. Like, I've seen a lot of them, and I was like, yeah, I want that thing. I want it. So here's the inside of the palette. Look at all those really pretty greens in there. And I don't have a palette or anything like this. It's got some pressed glitter, it's got some shimmers, it's got like mattes. It is just really pretty. And these are not cheap palettes. For 9 pans, these are really expensive. And so having the option of getting one in a set from Ipsy, I was like, oh yeah, definitely. I am definitely going to get this. And so I'm very excited about that. So the set also came with some other things, and that I did not remember, especially because one of the things is a liquid eyeliner. You know, black liquid eyeliner, something I need a lot of. It's the tip on it, not too bad. This is going to go to someone else. I'm not going to touch it or anything like that. I actually have this brand, which is Araceli. So on my bottom lashes today, I have the kohl version of their Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner, and I really like the kohl version of it. I like the packaging on this is a matte, so it's got kind of a velvety finish to it here. It's really nice. But yeah, someone else can have this that's not me, because I do not need more black liquid liner. I have so much of it. But yeah, that just happened to come with the set. The set also has a Shaina B Miami brush. This is a blush brush. It comes with a little plastic thing here. Nice brush. I may have put it in there a little long. It's a little bit flat at the moment. Oh no, that actually may be the style of it. Nice and soft. I don't mind the Shaina B brushes. They're not as densely packed as some that I have, but I'm always up for another one, especially a longer handled blush brush. So that'll be nice. Again, I like brushes, so you'd have to really have a crappy brush for me not to like it. Our friend Wander Beauty is in here. A little, let's see, what is this? A Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. Oh good, there's plastic on it, and it says it's in taupe. I do not have taupe eyebrows. They are definitely brown. Not a light brown either. Even my natural hair color is light brown. But yeah, okay, so I got a spoolie on one end. Ooh, it's a nice, that's not a bad spoolie. I like that. And then I've got the pencil on the other end. It's one of those clicky ones. Okay, let's see if I can get it on the back of my hand to, okay. Ooh, it's kind of sharp. Okay, so if I'm going in, you can't really see that on the camera. It keeps sliding down when I try and use it, so not the best. But I can get like have some color on it. It's gonna be a little bit light for me, definitely, but I can probably make it work. I'll test it and I'll see what I can do with it. If not, I might give it to one of my friends who has lighter hair than I do. Okay, and last thing in here is a lip color from Folly Fire. I've never heard of them before, and it is in the color Sunset Boulevard. Oh, look at that. It's got some fun packaging here. The little angled tip has their logo on the top of it, which is very cute. Okay, it's kind of a nice pinkish color. It looked a lot like the box is really red, and so I was like, oh, it's a red, but it's like, no, it's not actually. It's kind of like a berry pink. And that's the swatch on it. Not too bad. Pretty wearable shade for sure. I guess this is kind of like, this set is something that can be all worn at once. I mean, I guess I supply your own blush for the blush brush, but other than that, like, the lip is like a pink on the pinky side, so it's not going to clash with like your green eyeshadow that it comes with. But yeah, overall I like this set. I will test these out and let you guys know what I think about it. Oh, I'm so excited about this Emerald Obsessions palette. But yeah, that's it for my 2 boxes for this one. I've got another huge bag over here that I will be filming very shortly. It has so much stuff in it, it would not fit in with my other hauls. So stay tuned for that one. Thank you guys for watching, and while you're here, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I post, which there are lots of videos coming. And stay safe, stay healthy, have a wonderful day. Bye!